beautiful morning, Grida and Matthew. Okay, our subject for today is reading. Okay, are you excited? Okay, and also teacher is excited. Okay, welcome to our reading class. Okay, before we start, kindly look these pictures, kids, and you will think what those pictures it is. Okay, the first one and the second one. Okay, they are helping each other. They helping the beggar and the kid. And the next one, the next picture. Okay. As you can see, there's a kid and there's a teacher. They are listening. Okay, the other kids there, they are throwing the garbage, and as you can see, they are mother and daughter. They are showing respect to each other. Okay, our lesson for this day in our unit 4 or lesson 4 is all about being a good citizen. Okay, those are here. We will talk about the keywords. The first one, citizen. Next one, respect. Next, member. And then treat. Another, follow, help, and care for. Okay, when we say citizen, kid, a member of a community, state, or a country. For example, here we are a Filipino citizen because we are live in Philippines, right? Okay. The next one, we are talking about member. Okay, one of the individuals composing a group. For example, you are member in the grade 1 Matthew. You are students. You are a member in a grade 1 Matthew. The next keywords, we have treat. Okay, when we say treat, to act or behave towards someone in a certain manner. And then number 4, respect. Okay, to treat others in a special way or to honor. For example, how to show respect to the others or how to show respect to teacher. Okay, when teacher is discussing our lesson, you need to listen to teacher. Means you are showing respect to the teacher. And then, next keyword, follow. To be or act in accordance with. Follow means, for example, we have, teacher said, can you please get your book in grammar or in reading? Okay, you need to copy or you need to write this one. Okay, you will show, you can follow in that case, right? Because you already get your book. And then help. To give assistance or support to. For example, in our generation, in our case today, it's pandemic, right? How to help others. Maybe you will give food to the other people like that. And then care for. To help someone, to look after someone. It's the same in the how to show help, like the other one, okay? You showing care if you will help the other people. And then, kids, let's listen to the passage. Everyone lives in a community. People in communities need to be good citizens. A citizen is a member of community, state, or country. Look at this one, look at the picture. There are many ways to be a good citizen. A good citizen respect others, treat others as would like to be treated. Look at this one. And a good citizen follows rules. We have rules that we must all follow. Rules keep a community clean and safe. Okay, look at the picture. They are showing, they are following the rules, okay? When you are going to enter the other street, okay, you need to go to the pedestrian lane, okay? Another way to be a good citizen is to help others. Try to be a good neighbor. Good neighbors help each other and care for one another. Look at this one. Okay. That's all about in our passage, to be a good citizen. Okay, now let's do our activity in your reading book. Kindly get your book and open on page 15. Okay, you need to answer this question. Okay, the number 1, what is the main idea of the passage? A, everyone is a good citizen. B, good citizens always help others. And C, people should be a good citizen. Okay, the answer here, or you need to circle the answer. The correct answer is letter C. People should be a good citizen. Number 2 question, what does good citizens do? A, breaks the rules. B, respect others. C, has neighbors. Okay, the answer in the number 2, respect others. Okay, to be a good citizen, you need to respect others. And the number 3 questions, what does treat mean? A, act toward. B, show toward. C, talk toward. Okay, what does treat mean? Letter A, act toward. And the number 4, according to the passage, which statement is true? A, good citizens are good neighbors. B, good citizens cannot help others. And letter C, good citizens do not need to follow the rules. Okay, which statement is true? It is letter A, good citizens are good neighbors. Okay, for your number 5, complete the outline. Good citizen. The first one, respect others. Blank, others how you want to be treated. Okay, the answer is treat. Treat others how you want to be treated. And then follow rules. Follow rules to keep your community clean and safe. The answer is community. And the next one, how to help others. Be a good neighbor and care for the other people. Treat, community, and neighbor. For our vocabulary builder, look at the picture. A member of a community, state, or the country. Okay, we call it citizen. And the next one, to treat others in a special way and to honor. The answer here, respect. And the next one, to act or behave toward someone in a certain manner. Okay, treat. And the last one, to help someone to look after someone. The answer here is care of. Okay, for your homework, kids, answer page 6 in your reading workbook. Okay, bye, kids. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot in our lesson. Bye-bye.